What's up? In the previous video of this series, we talked about fills and how we can use them to add to songs. In this video, we're going to build on what we learned. In the first example, we're going to scratch the fills in measures 2 and 6. Alright, let's keep it moving. I'm going to scratch with the snare drum from beat 4. Here we go. How was that? Did you have any problems identifying measures 2 and 6? If not, that's great. But if you found yourself struggling to consistently identify the measures, just count them out. It's no big deal if you're having trouble. As long as you get in the reps, counting bars will eventually come with time. Alright? Here we go. Hopefully, the transition to the 8th measure didn't throw you off. And if it did, I'll say it again. It's no big deal. The important thing is to identify where you're having trouble. Once you know where the problem is, isolate it and work on it. That goes for any issue you might have. Identify it, work on it, and then start putting everything together. I hope this helps you out. If it did, share it with a friend. Peace.